Guys, you all know that since last summer I have been trying to melt this huge block of ice with the help of different hot stuff. I already did this with molten copper and 1000-degree glowing metal balls. Still no luck. But now I have another melting furnace, much bigger than I had the first time. Just check it. Also, today I want to make a few holes in the block of ice so that the cold water which will be inside the block when the metal starts to melt it just flow down from it and won't cool molten copper. This idea seemed good to me. That's why we did it. Just look at this beauty. There is about 10 kilograms of copper and it is ready. Want it to be clean. And as usual, we always use protection and stay as far as possible from the place where everything gonna happen. Fireproof gloves, glasses, and a wall, just in case. Okay, everything is ready. Let's do this. I promise it will be really cool. What? Guys, I warned you. Now you understand why we always use protection. And yeah, another beautiful slow motion. Honestly, we didn't expect this result, but we already understood why this happened. Guys, if someone knows why this had happened, write in the comments, as well as why this didn't happen in the past video where I poured just about 2 kilograms of molten copper. And yeah, ice and heat made all this mess. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.